We are here at Deloach Vineyards in the barrel cellar. This is actually one of the most exciting places in order to make the finest wines. Why? As you make wine and as you go through the first fermentation, there's a second process which happens, which is actually aging the wine. That aging process is so unique that this is like a chef in the kitchen. This is where you can add all the different touch of winemakers. This is why you have so many forests and so much diversity around the world in terms of oak origin, and oak treatment. What we use at Deloach Vineyards is some of the finest oak in France, from the center of France, from one of the most historical forests which have actually been created in the 14th, 15th, 16th, and 17th century. We want to wait till the oak tree is actually 200 to 300 years, and we go right in the forest, take possession of that oak tree, start to cut it, and create what we call a stave. A stave is the middle part of these barrels. What we do is not only we cut the staves at the right millimeter level, the right porosity, the right density, and at the same time we air dry those staves in our facilities in Burgundy. What is key, like a human being, is to be in contact with the outside. Why? Because rain and weather is actually helping those staves to take all the taste and flavor away, that primary taste which would not be good for wine. So after aging and what we call air drying those staves outside for 2 to 3 years, we typically like 36 months, we then bring it to our cooper and we make the barrels. This is the very important part of aging the finest Pinots and Chardonnays, and certainly Zinfandel here at Deloach, and this is really what makes a difference. In our cellars at Deloach, as I will ask Brian in a second, we actually have a diversity of more than 12 coopers because we want different toasting levels, we want different burning levels, and we want different attributes for the wine. So this is really the key, which we'd love to welcome you when you come here at Deloach to really visit and spend time talking about, because really this is the finishing touch of winemaking.